Again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida in my studio, and I have leftover Prizm pour colors from paintings earlier today, and I am very interested in doing something with them. And add a little mead and black to the surface of my canvas. Grab an oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips. And convince myself I don't care about the edges because they're very intense. It takes a while to fill all those cracks. And I don't know what's going to happen now. I hope something good, but I'm not sure. This is the mead and black paint that I'm always talking about being such a good cover the first time. So we'll see if I'm right this time. Let's wipe that off. I'm thinking about putting them on just with my spatula. So why don't I do that? I've done dribbles before. Well, that wasn't right. My cling wrap is being a problem. A big problem. This may not work. I'll figure something out. So I had Midnight Shadow, Mayan Gold, a little bit of pink diamond, a bunch of Chantilly lace, some French silk, a little bit of orange crush, I'm trying to decide what it is I want to do with what I've got. And usually it just works itself out, but right now I think I might want to add a color or two. Or basting brush, maybe. There, I've at least rescued all of my colors. I could probably put some blooms down. I think it's time for a new liner. I think there's no doubt about that. So let's grab some Fandango. And what else? Maybe some other green. I think some dark waters is going to be good. It's what's available. And then, because I can, hopefully, I'd like to think I can, I'll put some carnation down. We'll see what happens. Some orange crush. I'm thinking a little deep amethyst would be cool. So I've got Aussie Floetrol cell activators, about 3/4 Aussie Floetrol and 1/4 paint, Amsterdam white, Amsterdam black. Excuse my head. One down. I think I want to take my little blower . Let's see how I like what happens when I put a leaf down. I think I'm just going to keep moving. This is beautiful, by the way. I'm going to grab a lighter color. There's my Tuscan Sun. Pink Carnation again. I think lighter orange. Tuscan Sun with unicorn spit in it. I'm not sure this one is shaken. I'm going to go for the white. A little more this time. And the black. Although the purple's coming to mind. That's kind of different. I could leave that like it is and be pretty happy, actually. I am going to use a straw, I believe. Just blowing on my leaf areas. I'm going to start with a little French silk this time. Over here, I think. Use some, let's make sure it's shaken. Some poinsettia. Going for this Tuscan Sun that has a little couple drops of orange unicorn spit in it. I think I'm also going to have some of the pink carnation. I'm going to grab the white. I will be blacking the edges of this. That's dioxazine purple. I think I want a little bit of black in my center. Blow out and ruffle the edge. I'm very tempted to keep going. I'm going to try and go smaller. I'm not very good at it. I'm going to sneak a little hot orchid in there. Probably need one more flower at least. Oh, that's good. I'm liking that a lot. I'm thinking the center. I like the French silk behind. That seemed to work really well. I'm going to stick with that hot orchid for a minute. I'm going to try and stay small. I prefer the black. Whoops. I might be done. As soon as it looks kind of balanced, that's the time to decide that you're done. Although that spot right there is calling me. Although it's also a nice piece of negative space. Make a few things look like stems, I guess. Take my head out of the camera. Sorry about that, guys. I wasn't doing much, I promise. I like the black background a lot, but I also think I want to add a few dots. Just because I never have just added dots for dot's sake. And I like them. I could add silver, I could add gold. I think I'm done. I know you've heard it before. I think these ones are probably a mistake. They made dendrite because that's the hot orchid. I am so tempted to throw a few pieces of French silk in there just to see how it turns out on top of that black that's still damp. Oh, one of them merged. I have a pale pink color too. I'll just make it look like it's a flower hiding in the background. Using the dull end of my acetate tool. There, except for this. Okay, not there. Those all melded. Almost there. I could leave that like that. I could. There, I may have gone a little overboard, but I still like it. If I move all of these up here out of the way, I might be able to bring my rack over and show you guys what's what. Fortunately, the painting I have drying on it is easily moved. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying I love this part where I see the bubbles suddenly and I get rid of them. That's pretty cool. I like that. And I'm going to grab my phone. Yeah, that's pretty from up here. Turn the light out. Wow. think I actually got that to shimmer. I can't rotate it, but yeah, she's pretty shimmery at least. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I post at noon Eastern Standard Time these days. So if you're interested in finding me, either bookmark my channel or come find me. Oh, you guys need to know, if you watch at the designated time, there's no commercials. I'm not sure anybody knows that. I don't know why I know that. A few more dots. Just to leave the eye around. And because I like dots. I especially like them adding to the layered effect. I could probably add some tomorrow if I want to. You guys, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check my link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation group. Look for my Amazon link on the link tree. You can find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. My spring clothing is the clothing you see below the video, and if you find something on YouTube that you'd like to have there that you can't find there if you look there, you can have it on Spring or Le Gallerist, which is clothing made in Montreal. Investment quality though, pricey. Society 6, there's some apparel there, but there's other great stuff there like credenzas, really cool. A few rugs, some towels, really neat stuff. Pixels.com, Fine Art America, my go-to. Been posting there since 2014. I actually think it was 2013. I don't know why it says 2014. I think there was a glitch in the address. Anyway, speaking of addresses, my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. They are private and one-on-one. I do sell my artwork. Please like my videos with a thumbs up, and I appreciate that very much. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much. Please share and watch longer, and if you watch some commercials, know you're helping me out. If you have questions, use the community board or my email if you're desperate. I'll get back to you. Thank you guys again for all the donations that help keep me painting. There used to be a monthly drawing. There is not a drawing right now, but there is an opportunity for anybody making a donation in any given month to request a 15-minute consultation with me, and I'd be happy to talk to you if you make a donation through the PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the link on the link tree. Anyway, you guys, I love you very much. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.